Hello all of you. Today we are going to talk about orographic rainfall. You know what is orographic rainfall? Orographic is the rainfall which is caused by mountains. Whenever moisture bearing winds are coming from oceans towards land area, orographic rain is caused. So rain which is caused by mountains, in simple words. Okay, rains caused by mountains, that is known as orographic rainfall. Now with the help of a diagram we'll try to understand how does this happen. Okay, so this is a mountain and suppose winds are blowing from this direction. When winds are blowing from this direction, this side of the mountain is known as windward side, right? Windward side, wind facing side of the mountain is known as windward side, and opposite side of the mountain is known as leeward side, right? Leeward side of the mountain. When winds are coming from ocean towards land area, they are full of moisture. They strike this side of mountain and they try to ascend. They try to cross this mountain. But because they are full of moisture, they are very heavy and they shed most of the moisture this side only. Okay? And after shedding the moisture, they become lighter. And when they are light or lighter, you can say, they are able to cross this mountain and they reach the other side of the mountain. Still they have some moisture in them. They are not completely dry, but they have lesser moisture. That is why this side of mountain receives less amount of rainfall. So this is the region where we have high amount of rainfall, high rainfall, right? And this is the region where we have low amount of rainfall, low rainfall. Okay, and this region which receives low rainfall in comparison to the windward side is also known as rain shadow zone. This is rain shadow zone or rain shadow area. Okay, so we will try to understand this with the help of the map of India also. This is your map of India, right? And you all know in previous classes you have studied this is your western coast, right? And along the western coast we have Western Ghats here, a mountain range along the western coast of India, right? Now suppose this is your Western Ghat, and western side of Western Ghat, which is covered with thick forest cover also, receives high rainfall. This side we have, we can take the example of cities in India. This side we have Bombay, which is on the windward side of Western Ghats, receives high rainfall. And this side we have Pune, this side we have Mumbai, or you can say Bombay, and the other side we have Pune. So being located on the windward side of Western Ghats, Mumbai receives higher rainfall than Pune, right? So this much we have understood what is orographic rainfall and why does Mumbai receive more rain than Pune. Okay,